everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shweta and today we're going to be talking about minimalist again. Now in my previous video, I spoke about minimalist Maleic Bond Serum. Yes, you guys, still going strong in my hair care routine. This has to be one of those products that's given me the most positive response from all of y'all. 90%, I would say 85% of y'all have loved this. You have found this to be quite life-changing, a game changer. It has rescued your hair strands. Now this is a bond repair serum. This is not for your scalp. It's not supposed to, make your hair grow. It is supposed to protect the bonds of your hair. It is supposed to strengthen the bonds of your hair, especially if you've got damaged, frizzy, as well as very, very dry hair strands. That's what the Maleic Bond Hair Serum would do. I know many of y'all are not big fans of the fragrance of this as well, even the ones that have loved it, but that's the only feedback I have to give to this brand is the fragrance, and that's only because they had to tone down the pungent smell of a Maleic Bond. I've explained it all in detail in my previous video, you guys, and all I can tell you is, for me, this is one of the best product, budget-friendly, affordable product that actually protects the hair and strengthens the hair. This has made my hair feel so soft, and it's such a beautiful ritual. Whenever I apply this, you can apply the Maleic hair bond twice a week. That's more than enough. When you feel that your hair needs that extra bit of help, just apply the Maleic all over your strands. Leave it on for around 1 hour, either on extremely dry hair like how the brand suggests, or you can just dampen it up a little bit. Apply that only on the strands, leaving your roots alone, not on the scalp, by the way. And then after about 1 hour, you can take a deep conditioning mask, apply that all over your strands, leave it on for further 25 minutes, and then go and wash it off with a shampoo and conditioner. And your hair will thank you for it. I know so many of you all have told me the feedback has been extremely positive. Yes, there are a few of y'all who still you're trying to figure out the beauty behind this, and many of y'all who still don't like it. That just goes to show that hair care and skincare is very subjective. Another thing I want to tell you is that the days you're using the Maleic Bond Hair Serum, you don't need to oil your hair, you guys. You can just apply the serum, follow it up with your deep conditioning mask, and then just go and wash it off with the shampoo. And if you want further, go with the conditioning mask once more. And on alternate days, just oil your scalp, and that's more than enough. And hair oil is more of that scalp stimulation. It's not that you can't put two together. I have found better results when I separate the two, that is the hair oil and Maleic Bond Hair Serum. But there are many expensive counterparts out there that promises to strengthen your hair bonds. This promises to give you all of that an expensive product can give you for half the price. Now, in my previous video, I did tell you that I am trying their shampoo and conditioner, you guys, and let me tell you, the shampoo as well as the conditioner, these three are holy trinity. This is the Maleic Bond Repair Complex 0.5% hair mask, and this is the Maleic Bond Repair Complex 3.5% hair shampoo. All three of them ensures that your hair becomes the best version of itself. It's soft, it's manageable. Words fail me, you guys, because that's how shook I am at how beautifully these perform. Very affordable, you guys, and they perform exactly like a high-end brand that I've spoken about in the past, on my channel as well as on Instagram. First of all, this hair mask. There is something about this hair mask that just deeply conditions your hair. Like if you apply the Maleic Bond Serum and then you are looking out for a hair mask. Remember I told you, after 1 hour, you just take a hair mask, you apply that all over your strand for around 15-20 minutes, and further go wash your hair with the shampoo and again with the conditioner of your choice. This is the hair mask that just pairs so well with the Maleic Bond Hair Serum. You just apply this all over the strands for around 15-20 minutes more, then wash it off again with their shampoo, and you can further put this conditioner for another 5 minutes. Oh my god, you guys, I can't tell you what a beautiful shine it produces to the hair, and it feels as if you're doing one of those hair ads. I kid you not. So for anybody that's got dry, damaged hair, these three products, the Holy Trinity, is the one that you should get because it's extremely affordable. Look no further, you guys. There's so many hair bond shampoos and conditioners I've tried. I've only loved quite a few, but in the affordable version in the category, you're looking out for something really good. You can always trust Minimalist as a brand when it comes to products, you guys. guys, because it's very well science-backed, very well researched, and very well formulated. So we're starting off with the Maleic Bond Repair Complex 3.5% shampoo. You're getting around 250 ml for 599 rupees. Now this shampoo promises to repair and prevent hair damage. You can use this shampoo every day, you guys. It's a sulfate-free shampoo with maleic acid, transglutaminase, and amino acid that improves hair strength and make them healthy and less prone to breakage. It also has a powerful combination of ceramide, vitamin E, and vitamin B5 that just makes sure that your hair strands remain hydrated, and it also nourishes your hair from within. Plus, it also nourishes your scalp, you guys. This is one of those shampoos that just does the entire magical trick all the way from your roots to the end. Whatever hair treatments, strengthening treatments, or whatever that you have gone through to just change the bonds of your hair, be it, straightening, or be it curling, or, whatever that you've done in the hair salon, and further other damage like environmental stress, UV damage, whatever that has made your hair feel extremely weak and dull, this is the kind of hair range that you should reach out for. Guys, the minimalist hair range, I'm starting to love a little more than the skincare range. In my opinion, their hair care range, they're really formulated so well. They've kicked it out of the ballpark with this one. Now let's move on to the conditioner. I love this hair mask, you guys. If you do not want the shampoo and you're looking out for a very deep conditioning mask, be it after shampoo mask or a pre-shampoo mask, and many a times I do a pre-shampoo conditioner as well, in the sense like how I apply a Maleic Bond hair serum. This is a pre-shampoo procedure, by the way. It is not a hair leave-in serum. This is something that you need to wash off. There are times when I just apply this. It comes in a tube packaging. That's what I love about it. Travel friendly. I squeeze out more than a coin size of it. Just apply that all over my strand, all over my scalp, you guys. I leave it on for around 25 to 30 minutes. So the Maleic Bond Repair Complex 0.5% hair mask repairs and nourishes your hair because it's also got its patent pending combination of maleic acid, transglutaminase, and amino acid that shows that it repairs the damaged hair bonds and makes the hair strong and healthy. Additionally, this one also has ceramide 3, wheat protein, vitamin E, and vitamin B5 to nourish the hair and reduces the frizz, making it more manageable. For 200 grams, this retails for around 699 rupees. The formulation of the hydrolyzed wheat protein, ceramide, vitamin E, and vitamin B5 just provides that nourishment to your hair, making it really strong and healthy. So again, this is one of those hair masks for any sort of stress that your hair strands have gone through, even your roots, you guys. Though they say that, with a conditioner, you're only supposed to apply this on your strands, I noticed that in my pre-shampoo treatment, when I apply this all the way from the roots to the end, my hair has really been in the best hair health. For some reason, when I went last time to just, have a hair trim, that's also something that my stylist noticed, saying that, is there something different that you're doing to your hair? Because it's in its best health, So I was like, there's nothing much that I've been doing excepting, applying hair growth serums, applying the Maleic Bond, basically it is also my diet factor. I've started exercising. It's a whole lifestyle change that I've been doing, you guys, that is actually translating into a good hair health day, So that's something even he noticed. You want something from the same brand that has got ingredients that is nourishing because of ceramides, vitamin B5, vitamin E, Maleic Bond. So if you're looking out for something of the same genre, with the same ingredient, with the same storyline, then just check out these 3 products, you guys. Like I said, Holy Trinity. And I have a feeling, just like you have loved this, you're absolutely going to love this, you guys. I am not just, making a video for the sake of making it. I took my time to try and test the products like I always do. And again, Minimalist has not disappointed me with this. I have been actually telling all of my girlfriends about this one. I've been saying just pick it up. I know a few of them went and bought it already. It's not going to pinch your pocket, but at the same time, it's going to give you the benefits like many high-end hair care brands do. So that's about it, you guys. I have nothing more to say except just get it. Just get it, all right? So let me know in the comment section whether you've tried it, whether you're planning to review it and, test it out, and what else you'd like me to review here on my channel. I love you so much, and until later, bye for now.